Hello everyone, I am Dmitry Gerasimov, CEO of Cellframe Network, and here's our regular AMA session. And let's begin from the first question. Recently, the project team announced a remote mode launch for Cellframe dashboard. How will the application choose nodes in this mode? It will not. These nodes will be on our site. For the current moment, we decided not to do the dedicated service to provide RPC API service, so it will be semi-centralized version of such service, and all this remote, all these nodes for remote mode will be on our side. However, remote mode also could be used for your own nodes that you launch on your side, but it's not, I think, part of this question. So let's answer on the second question, and this question: can existing master nodes be used as remote public nodes for remote mode? Yes, they can be used by yourself. If so, can be separate reward for this. I'm talking not about public service. It's about your local installed node. Public service will be based on our own nodes, and it does not expect any reward. However, if you will run 100% dedicated service, it will include reward for sure. For current moment, it will all on our side. The next question: which Cellframe consensus deck or is box is more resistant to quantum threats? Both resistant enough. Quantum threats, it does not touch consensus. Next question: at the beginning of the year, the team announced that accepting ULP stakes would stop. What happens if users' LP stake expires but liquidity is still not withdrawn from the pool? It continues to be present and collect rewards from Uniswap or Pancake. Just will not collect rewards from our side, but it will still accessible. Next question: is it possible to use Cellframe bridge, to send CF20 tokens directly to a wallet on Bitmart? I think yes. Next question: judging by the recent Kel listing on Bitmart, KelVPN team is focused on supporting CF20 token version. What will happen to BIP20 and ERC20 tokens? They should be migrated. They definitely must be migrated on a CF20 because CF20 is only token standard that is quantum safe. If you hold BIP20 or ERC20, keep in mind that it's only intermediate token that will not survive in quantum apocalypse. So please, exchange it on CF20. Next question: what are the benefits of holding a Kel token? You can run your KelVPN node, share your broadband with other users and earn Kel token, or use it as a payment for VPN, just as other service-oriented token or utility token. Next question: is there a plan to migrate KelVPN liquidity from old smart contracts to new ones? If so, when will this happen? Yes, now we can migrate because most of existing tokens are migrated. It's happened soon. Anyway, most of liquidity expected to be on CF20. So, ever you want to migrate from old smart contract to new one, better migrate to CF20. Next question: DotFlat, a project within Cellframe ecosystem, specialized in issuing flat coins. What advantages do they have compared to traditional stablecoins? It should grow. It should grow quickly than stablecoins. So, in pair with stablecoin, it should show uh, positive numbers because it depends from real values, from gold, from oil, from metal, maybe grain, I don't know, depends from, and because all other stable coins connected with fiat currencies has inflation, they based on inflation, and this inflation should be shown on the growth of flat coin. So flat coin, it's inflation vault. Next question, and the last one from present. Is the project team considering implementing a model where developers receive payments for applications launched on Cellframe platform? Yes, it's already implemented. This approach could incentivize the developers and contribute to ecosystem growth. Yes, it's present. If you develop your own service, this service can be connected, can be boarded on chain with a special service fee. This service fee will be directed to the developer's wallet, and it should motivate it to develop such services. Okay, it was all the present questions. Now let's see what's going on in a YouTube chat. And Trader Danger asking, will there be an API for charting sites like CMC, CoinGecko, DEX tools to retrieve prices from the native DEX? We are working on this. How it has some lot of bureaucracy problems because we changed our partnerships in past, and our old partners were holding accounts for CMC and CoinGecko. Now we're restoring them, and to connect our native DEX, it's long road, but I believe we'll pass it as fast as possible. Next question about centralized listing and marketing. As I said before, I cannot comment anything about that's related with centralized listings. Marketing is ongoing. Next question, how does other blockchains built on Cellframe like Quantum EVM increases the demand for Cell tokens? Please mention for various ways. First of all is a Cell auction that should be run sooner than later, at listed. Also, to be listed tradable on a backbone, you need to pay fees in Cell as well. Okay, the next question. Oh, it was just support word. Thank you for your support. The market bull run is delayed. I think it's a good for sell before it starts. Hope we'll give the investor needs. Yes, I think it's also a good opportunity to load up with good prices. Don't give you 7+ years effort to other quantum projects, please. I don't. Have you thought about creating an ecosystem for JavaScript developers for Cellframe ecosystem? Yes, we have some JavaScript API already. For example, for Cellframe dashboard, we have JavaScript API for extending it. Also, we were developing JavaScript API for backend development. However, it was abandoned. I think we need to get back. Also, there is a JavaScript library for public JSON API usage. It's just not our own, it's third party. So anyway, we are focusing on a JavaScript support, don't worry. Okay, I think it was all the question for today. Thank you for all your attention, for your support, for your warm words. Thank you for